Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Ethereum from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just switch exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and straightforward. First off, why do this? Kraken is known for its robust security and advanced trading features, while Exmo is great for beginners, so moving your ETH could level up your crypto game. Before we dive in, a quick heads up: always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any costly mistakes, and be aware of network fees that can vary based on Ethereum's gas prices. Make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Kraken, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Withdrawal section. This is usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Once there, select Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input your Kraken Ethereum wallet address. To find this, log into your Kraken account, go to the Deposit section, and copy the ETH address provided. Pro tip: always use the address for the Ethereum network. Double-check it's not for a different blockchain. Step 3. Review and confirm. On Exmo, you'll see a summary of the transaction, including the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Make sure everything looks correct, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this via email or 2FA. Step 4. Wait for the transfer. Ethereum transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Kraken and check your account under the Deposit History or Wallet section to confirm your ETH has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Exmo to Kraken in 2025. Remember, crypto transfers aren't reversible, so stay cautious. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.